If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with both reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Nissan Rogue SV in Super Black. With LED headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8196B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.